Listen and repeat. It hurts here. It hurts here. It started hurting yesterday. It started hurting yesterday. When I do this, it really hurts. When I do this, it really hurts. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have the flu. I have the flu. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. I have a cough. I have a cough. I'd like to get a flu shot. I'd like to get a flu shot. I have chills and a fever. I have chills and a fever. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I have a stuffy nose. I have a stuffy nose. I can't stop sneezing. I can't stop sneezing. I have a headache. I have a headache. I've lost my voice and it's hard to speak. I've lost my voice and it's hard to speak. My nose keeps bleeding. My nose keeps bleeding. I have an earache. I have an earache. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. My eyes are sore. My eyes are sore. My vision is blurry. My vision is blurry. I have a hard time breathing. I have a hard time breathing. It hurts when I breathe. It hurts when I breathe. I have chest pain when I breathe. I have chest pain when I breathe. I have asthma. I have asthma. My left side hurts when I cough. My left side hurts when I cough. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. My stomach feels bloated after meals. My stomach feels bloated after meals. I get heartburn after eating. I get heartburn after eating. I have no appetite. I have no appetite. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. I keep throwing up. I keep throwing up. I have diarrhea. I have diarrhea. I'm constipated. I'm constipated. I feel dehydrated. I feel dehydrated. I get tired easily. I get tired easily. My body aches all over. My body aches all over. My muscles are sore. My muscles are sore. I sweat a lot, even when it's not hot. I sweat a lot, even when it's not hot. I feel dizzy when I stand up. I feel dizzy when I stand up. She fainted suddenly. She fainted suddenly. My legs feel numb. My legs feel numb. I feel tingling in my hands and feet. I feel tingling in my hands and feet. I black out when I drink too much. I black out when I drink too much. I'm so forgetful. I keep forgetting things. I'm so forgetful. I keep forgetting things. I have trouble sleeping at night. I have trouble sleeping at night. I snore a lot at night. My partner can't sleep. I snore a lot at night. My partner can't sleep. I feel depressed and low on energy. I feel depressed and low on energy. My skin feels itchy. My skin feels itchy. I have a rash on my arm. I have a rash on my arm. I have hives all over my body. I have hives all over my body. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. I have really bad period pain. I have really bad period pain. I get bad cramps during my period. I get bad cramps during my period. I have a backache. I have a backache. I threw out my back while moving a fridge. I threw out my back while moving a fridge. My neck is stiff and I can't turn my head. My neck is stiff and I can't turn my head. My shoulder hurts when I lift my arm. My shoulder hurts when I lift my arm. I injured my knee while running. I injured my knee while running. My ankle is swollen. My ankle is swollen. I sprained my ankle. I sprained my ankle. I often get cramps in my legs. I often get cramps in my legs. I have a bruise on my leg. I have a bruise on my leg. I have a cut on my finger. I have a cut on my finger. I burned my finger. I burned my finger. I think I broke my arm. I think I broke my arm. I have frostbite on my toes. I have frostbite on my toes. I have diabetes. I have diabetes.
I'd like to get my eyesight checked. I'd like to get my eyesight checked.
Good job! See you next time!